Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can use Overleaf, which is an online collaborative latex editor, to come up with a very impressive and a very nice looking CV. So if you log into overleaf.com, you will see a view like this, so you can register yourself. And if you check the pricings, there are different types of pricings available. However, there is also a free option, which is more than enough to prepare your CV, so you can just click get started now and get registered. However, if you have registered with IEEE Collabratec, you can also use that login to sort of get a professional account of this Overleaf. So you can get that information through this link, which I will also share in the description. So now let's move on to Overleaf. So once you register yourself and then once you log in, you will see a view like this. So you'll just have to create a new project. You can create a blank project if you are an expert in latex, or an example project, or else you can upload a project if you have some sort of template that you have downloaded, or else you can get a template from GitHub, or else there are some built-in templates. So this is what we are going to use in this context or in this example. So if you click view all, you can see that there are a lot of templates for academic journals, for bibliography, books, formal letters, newsletters, posters, thesis, presentation. So in this case, we are going to look into how we can come up with a nice resume or a CV, right? So you can click CV here, or else there's a shortcut for that. So you can sort of click new project and also click resume or CV, and you can see that there are many templates, right? So even you can scroll for hours on. So there are many templates, right? So I'm going to select this one, which is the template that I have also selected to portray my CV. So you just have to click it. It's very easy. And then you have to click open as template. And once you do that, you have your own CV template. So now it is very easy. You just have to click and then replace text. Say I want to change my name. I just click here. So I have double click, and then so once I double click, I can change this information. So here it says first class, so I will type my name Shamita Davis, and then after I do that, I can click recompile. So then my name is updated, and then similarly I can update my telephone number, my email address, my LinkedIn profile, my website, and also like you can even have a different tag for this, right? Say for instance, in my case I have included my website, so my personal website. So then I have included my personal website address here, and so instead of the GitHub icon, I have used a different icon. You can also search for these icons online. I will also share where you can find these icons, and in my case I used this icon globe to portray my website. So you can see here now it's a globe. And okay, so now it's all about replacing this text, right? Say if I want to talk about my education, so I can say, okay, so this is my education, this is my university, and if I have more degrees, then I can simply sort of copy this part, sorry, copy this part, and then paste it, and then say, okay, it's state 2 university or something like that, and it's another degree, and so maybe it's from 2015 to 2017. So you get the point, right? So you can very easily update this information. So as a practice, what I do is I sort of see if I'm feeling about education, what I do is I let's move back to the original state, right? So I copy this, then I paste it, and then I do whatever the modifications. So if something goes wrong, I have the original text that can be accessed very easily. And so if I hit recompile, you can see that it will be duplicated. So whatever the things that I will do will be displayed here. And in order to make sure that the ones that I do not want to be displayed are hidden, I can select them very easily, and then I can comment them. Okay, so to comment them, I can hit Control and slash in Windows, or Command and slash in Mac. So now if I hit recompile, you can see that the section I want is only display. Okay, so let's uncomment it for the time being. Um, Now, let's say if I hit recompile again, I can see the whole list. Now, let's say I want to display my technical skills as a second part of my CV. So what I'll do is I'll just double click technical skills, so it will move to that particular section, and then I will copy it, and then I'll move to the top. So right after education, I will paste this. So this is programming skills, or else maybe you can just rename it as sports if you are looking to that sort of a job. So you can see now it's renamed as sports. So it's quite flexible. So it's, you can be creative, and then you can sort of play around, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to come up with a very nice CV. So once you are done, you can simply click this button to download your CV as a PDF and share among the employers who are looking for very good candidates to recruit. And I'm pretty sure that your CV will look quite outstanding if you use latex. So all the best. Cheers.